Good morning, students. In previous class, what we learned about decimals. Okay, how to convert number into decimals and how to convert the paise into rupees and how to convert the grams into kgs. Okay, and addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, in this class we learned about multiplication of decimals. Okay, multiplication of decimals. Multiplication. Okay, multiplication of decimals. How do you multiply the decimal by a whole number and a decimal by a decimal? Okay, multiplication of decimals. Okay, for example, we have to multiply a decimal by a decimal, which means we have to multiply 0.1 into 0.1. We have to multiply decimal by a decimal. Okay, 0.1 is a decimal number and 0.1 is also a decimal number. We have to multiply the two decimal numbers. Okay, then how do you multiply the two decimal numbers? Yeah, two decimal numbers. Okay, 0.1. Okay, then how do you multiply the two decimal numbers? Let's say 0.1 into 1 into 0.1. Okay, we know that. Yeah, we can write it as a 0.1 is a 1 by 10. Okay, we can write 0.1 as a 1 by 10 because of the 1 by 10. When we are simplifying 1 by 10, we get 0.1. Okay, because of in the denominator we having a 1 0, so we put point after the one digit. So when we are dividing the 1 by 10, we get 0.1. So we can write it as a 1 by 10. Okay, into again 0.1. Okay, again we it can write it as a 1 by 10. Okay, now 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, this is a fraction. Okay, 1 by 10 is a fraction and 1 by 10 is also another fraction. Okay, we know that how to multiply the fractions. Okay, then how do you multiply the fractions? We have to multiply the denominator of the fractions and numerator by a numerator of a fractions. Okay, now 1 into 1, how much? 1 divided by, in the denominator we having a 10 into 10, which means 10 into 10, how much? 100. Okay, 100. And now 1 by 100. Now we have to convert this into decimals. Okay, in how do you convert the 1 by 100 into decimals? In the denominator we having a 100, which means 2 zeros. So we put point after two digit, it means 0.01. Okay, it will becomes 0.01. Okay, when we are multiplying 0.1 into 0.1, we get 0.01. Okay, this is the product of 0.1 and 0.1. Okay, we have another method to multiply this 0.1 into 0.1, that is direct multiplication method. That is 0.1 into 0.1. We have to multiply this from this, to multiply this from this. Okay, we know that how to multiply the numbers. Okay, 1 into 1, how much? 1. 1 into 0, how much? 0. Okay, now from we have to multiply from 0. Okay, 0 into 1, how much? 0. 0 into 0, how much? 0. Okay, here 1 0 0. Okay, now here we having after one digit, after the one digit we have a point. Here also same, after a one digit we have a point. So one digit on one digit, how many? Two digits. Okay, we put point after two digits, 1 2. Okay, here 0.01. in the both the methods we get the same answer. Okay, thus we multiply the decimal by a decimal. Okay, next you see the one more example, that is we have to multiply or find the product of 0.2 into 0.3. 0.2 into 0.3, we have to multiply 0.2 into 0.3. Then how do you multiply? Let's see. Decimal by a decimal. 0.2 is a decimal number and 0.3 is also a decimal number. Okay, multiplication of decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, now 0.2 into 0.3, we can we have 0.2, we can write it as a, that is 2 by 10. Okay, because of when we are dividing 2 by 10, we get 0.2. Okay, because of in the denominator we have a 1 0, so we can write it as a 0.2. Okay, and here 0.3, here we can write it as a 3 divided by 10. Okay, 3 divided by 10. Okay, now 2 by 10 and 3 by 10, both are fractions. Okay, and then we know that how to multiply the fractions. Okay, denominator by denominator, we have multiplying denominators and multiplying the numerators. Okay, 2 3s are how much? 6 divided by 10 into 10, how much? 100. Okay, now 6 by 100 is a fraction. Okay, we know that how to convert fraction into a decimal. Okay, here denominator we having a 2 zeros, so we put after the 2 digits, that means 0.06. Okay, 0.06 is the product of 0.2 into 0.3. Okay, now we check another method whether the answer is correct or wrong. Okay, 0.2 into 0.3. Okay, now we have to multiply 0.2 from 0.3. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 0 0. Now from 0 0 into 2 0. 0 into 0 0. Okay, 6 0 0. Okay, here we having after one digit we having a point, and here also same, after one digit having a point, so we put after two digits 1 2. Okay, 0.06. in the both the case we get, in the both the method we get same answer. Okay, thus we multiply the two decimals. Okay, decimal by a decimal. Okay, so you see one more example, that is the length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeter. Okay, the length is 7.1 centimeter. Okay, length is equal to 7.1 centimeter and breadth is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is its area? It means we have to find out the area of the rectangle. Okay, area of the rectangle, we know that the formula area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth, which means how much length? Length is 7.1 into breadth is 2.5. it means we have to multiply the decimal number by a decimal. Then how do you multiply the decimal number by a decimal? Yeah, let's see. Okay, the 7.1. Okay, 7.1 we can write it as a 71 by 10 into 2.5, we can write it as a 25 divided by 10. Okay, because of when we are dividing 71.1, we get in the denominator we having a 1 0, so 7.1. Okay, like this. So we can write it as a 7.1 is a 71 divided by 10, and 2.5 we can write it as 25 divided by 10. Okay, now we have to multiply the numerators or the denominators. Okay, we know we learned how to multiply the fractions. Okay, denominators and the numerators. Okay, in the numerators we having a 71 into 25, we have to multiply these two. Okay, then how do you multiply this? 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. Okay, here 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Okay, 5 7 7 1. Okay, 1775 divided by 10 into 10, how much? 100. Okay, 100 here. 1775 divided by 100, which means in the numerators in the denominator we having a 100, which means 2 0, so we put after a we put point after 2 digits, which means 17.75. okay, centimeters. Okay, area of the rectangle is 17.75. okay, this is the area of the rectangle, or thus we multiplying the decimal number by a decimal. Okay, next we want how do you multiply the decimal number by a whole number. Okay, decimal number by whole number. Okay, whole number. Okay, then how do you multiply the decimal number by a whole number? Okay, we have to multiply the decimal number by whole number. For example, we have to multiply the 0.5 into 4. Here 0.5 is a decimal number and 4 is a whole number. In that situations, how do you multiply the decimal number by a whole number? Okay, let's see. Yeah, we can write it as 0.5 into 4. We can write it as a 0.5 into then how do you write? 5 by 10. Okay, when we are simplifying 5 by 10, we get 0.5. okay, because of in the denominator we having a 10, it means 1 0, so we put the point after one digit, which will become 0.5. next into 4. okay, it means 4 means 4 by 1. okay, 4 by 1. Now we have to multiply the 5 by 10 is a fraction and 4 by 1 is a fraction. We know that how to multiply the fractions. Okay, denominator, we have to multiply the denominators and multiply the numerators. And 5 fours are how much? 20 divided by 10 ones are 10. Okay, now we have to cancel the 10 ones are 10 twos are. Okay, we get 2 is the answer. Okay, thus we multiply the decimal by a whole number. Okay, or we have another method to multiply. Okay, direct multiplication method, that is 0.5 into 4. Okay, you have to multiply the 4 to the 0.5. 5 fours are how much? 20. 2 is carry. 2 fours are 4 zeros are 0 plus 2 how much? 2. Okay, here we having a point after one digit, so we put after one digit. Okay, 2.0. okay, 2.0 is equal to 2. Okay, in the both the methods we get same answer. Okay, next we see the one more example, that is a side of a equilateral triangle. Okay, the side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Okay, equilateral triangle means, we know that equilateral means all sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. The perimeter of a triangle is, I have to find out the perimeter of triangle, which means we have to multiply. Okay, it means we have to multiply the all three sides. Okay, three sides, how many? The triangle having how many sides? 3 sides. So that means 3 into the length of the each side is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, 3.5 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the 3 into 3.5, which means 3 is a whole number and 3.5 is a decimal. Okay, we have to multiply a whole number by a decimal or decimal by a whole number. Okay, in this case, how do you multiply the decimal number by a whole number? Okay, you have to write 3 into, you have to write 3.5 as a 35 divided by 10. We can write it as a 35 divided by 10. Okay, when we are simplifying 35 divided by 10, we get 3.5. So we can write it as a 3.5 as a 35 divided by 10. Okay, here 3 means 3 by 1. Okay, now we have to multiply the fractions. Okay, we know that how to multiply the factors. We have to multiply the numerators and we have to multiply the denominators. Okay, denominator 10 into 1 how much? 10, and numerator we having a 35 into 3. We have to multiply the 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 is carry. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 1 is 10. Okay, 105. Okay, 105. Okay, 105 divided by 10. Okay, in the denominator we having a 10, which means 10. So we put after the, we put point after one digit, which means 10.5. Okay, 10.5 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, or we have to do the direct method. Okay, method 2. Now we have to multiply the 3 into 3.5 or 3.5 into 3. Okay, then how do you multiply 3.5 into 3? 3 5 is how much? 15. 15 5 1 is carry. 3 3 is 9. 1 is 10. Okay, 10 here. Here we having a point after one digit, so we put point after one digit, it means 10.5. Okay, in the both the case we get the 10.5. Okay, thus we multiply the decimal number by a decimal number and a whole number by a decimal number, or decimal number by a whole number. Okay, okay students, in this class we learnt about multiplication of a decimal number. Okay, in next class we will learn about division of a decimal number. Okay, how do we divide the decimal number by a decimal number and decimal number by a whole number and a whole number by a decimal number. Okay, thank you.